the following topic is modal auxiliaries. We're going to see 3 types of modal auxiliaries. Yeah, 3 types. The one that we use for requests, the one that we use for offers, and the one that we use for to ask for permission. So the first one, or the first group, is the modal auxiliaries that we use to ask or to make requests. Okay. The first one is could. The second one is would, and the third one is will. You already know the meaning of each of these. Could is podría, remember that. Would is just the termination, yeah. And will makes the sentence in future, okay? So you already know this. So when you want to make a request, when you want to ask someone or something to someone, you can use any of these 3 modals. And this is the structure or the formula that you need to follow in order to ask for help or to make a request. First, you start with the modal, any of these 3. Then you follow with the subject, simple verb, and complement. Remember that I already explained to you that whenever we have a modal auxiliary, we always have a simple verb, always. So that means that the verb doesn't need ds, it doesn't need ing, it doesn't need anything, okay? We have modal, we know that always the verb is always simple. So let's write some examples. We can say, let's think that we want to ask someone to open the window, okay? It's very hot, it's noon, so it's really hot and I want someone to open the window. So I'm going to ask to make a request. I'm going to ask someone to open the window. So the first thing that we need to write is the modal. In this case, could. The subject, you. Okay, I'm talking to someone in specific. So could you? Simple verb. In this case, the verb is open. Could you open the complement? The window, question mark, and then we can add please, of course. Could you open the window, please? That will be a request using could. Could, podría abrir la ventana, please? That is a request. The same happens with would. Okay, we can use would to make a request. Like, let's say that we go to eat in a restaurant and we don't know what to drink. Let's say that we're going to eat pasta. And we want to know the best wine to drink with pasta. So let's imagine that we can ask the waiter. Okay, would, that will be the modal. Subject, you. Recommend can be the verb. Would you recommend or suggest the best wine? And question mark. Okay, so again, we're making a request to the waiter. Okay, Mr. or Mrs. Waiter, would you suggest the best wine? ¿Me sugeriría cuál es el mejor vino? That will be a request, but very polite, like indirect request. And finally, with will, we follow the same order. Will, that will be the modal, subject, you, if you're talking directly to the person who is going to answer the request. Will you pass me some salt? And question mark. Okay, so we have modal, will, subject, you, simple verb, pass, and complement, me some salt, right? So we are always following the same structure. What we change is the modal auxiliary and the verb and complement. Why do we use these modal auxiliaries to ask or to make requests? Because they are polite. If you want to sound polite, if you want to be kind with people, you will have to use those modals. Of course, you can say to people, okay, give me the salt. You can do that, that's a request, give me the salt. But that is not polite. If you want to be polite, use a modal auxiliary. Could you please give me the salt? Please, okay? So you can use, at the end of each question, you can add the please. Right, so this information is also in your books on page 84 and 85. There you have more examples, you have some notes, And you have also possible answers. Since you're asking for help, okay, the possible answers are like, of course, could you open the window? Sure. Or would you suggest the best wine? Of course, the best wine is this and this. So will you pass me the salt? Sure, certainly. Or okay, you can use short answers to reply to these requests. Okay, so this was the first category. Modal auxiliaries to ask for or to make requests. Now, let me change the category. In this case, we're going to follow with modal auxiliaries to make offers. How to offer something to people or to someone else. So, modal auxiliaries. To make offers. We have may, we have can, and let me see, we have only those two. Can. Again, the formula is the same. Modal plus subject plus simple verb plus complement if necessary, and then the question mark, right? So may and can both are to ask or to make offers. The most common example with may is this one, right? Probably you have heard this phrase before. Okay, that one is very common. May I help you? Or how can I help you? Okay, so here we're using the can. But may I help you? I'm asking you for permission, but I'm making an offer. So let's say that I see a lady on the street with many bags and I want to help her with the bags. So I can make an offer. May I help you with the bags? Okay, or may I help you with your shopping? Or may I help you cooking? Okay, you're making an offer, you're offering help, right? And here we are following the same formula. We have modal, may, subject, I, simple verb, help, complement, you. It's not, well, we do the complement, yes. Remember, this verb is simple. Okay, we don't need an S, we don't need an ing, anything. Modal, simple verb. With can is the same. That is a good example. Question mark. Modal, I have can. Subject, I. Simple verb, get. And we have a long complement. Use something to drink. So I want to offer this person something to drink. I don't know, let's say that I want to offer a Coke. But I need to ask if that person wants to drink a Coke. So I use, can I get you something to drink? Or I'm going to say that we are in a restaurant or we are in a bar, okay? So I'm going to the bar, so I'm going to get a drink for me. I want to offer the person who is sitting next to me, do you want something to drink? So I can offer, can I get you something to drink? And it's the same. I'm offering this person to go take a drink for me and take a drink for her or him, okay? But again, we are following exactly the same order. And the possible answers are the same, sure, or of course, I want to drink X and X and X. Or may I help you? Sure, thank you. Okay, the answers, the possible answers are really short. And again, that's in your book. So in your book you have more examples. And the last category is auxiliaries to ask for permission.